Emergency repair, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We're going to explore a very practical and important phrase in English, emergency repair. Whether you're learning English for everyday use, professional development, or just for fun, understanding such phrases can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive in and discover what emergency repair really means and how you can use it in various contexts. Emergency and repair are two words with distinct meanings. Let's break them down. Emergency. This word refers to a serious, unexpected, and often dangerous situation that requires immediate attention. Repair. This refers to the act of fixing something that is broken or damaged. When combined, emergency repair refers to the urgent fixing of something that has suddenly broken or failed. This phrase is commonly used in contexts like healthcare, mechanics, home maintenance, and public services. Now, let's look at how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. In healthcare, the surgeon performed an emergency repair on the patient's heart. Here, it implies a sudden and urgent medical procedure. 2. Home and appliances. Our heater stopped working in the winter, and we needed an emergency repair. This indicates an urgent fix required at home. 3. Public services. The city carried out emergency repairs on the bridge. This suggests urgent maintenance work in public infrastructure. Understanding similar phrases can broaden your vocabulary. Here are a few: urgent maintenance, immediate restoration, crisis management. Each of these can be used in slightly different scenarios but revolve around the idea of addressing a sudden problem swiftly. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, emergency repair. Remember, English is full of such phrases that, when understood, can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.